Hi everyone, Zach Pickoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 19-1 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 19-1 work together. In the last video, I read over the 19-1 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 19-1 work together, where we will be preparing a stock record. So the instructions say a stock record for sound station is given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following example. Number 1. Enter the following transactions on the stock record of stock number W-394 16-gauge speaker wire. Source documents are abbreviated as follows. Purchase invoice P, sales invoice S. Alright, so as you can see here, we are given 4 transactions, and they are dated on October 3rd, 27th, 29th, and December 4th. Okay, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 19-1 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 19-1 work together, in which we will be preparing a stock record. Alright, so that is the end of the 19-1 work together. In the next video, I will be going over the 19-2 text. Okay, thank you.